Hello, Ramcharan. How are you today?
Hello, ma'am. Hi.
I just have to ask you this now. You've done several things in your career so far, but the tables have sort of turned in this one. Hannah, I want to ask you, what's the difference between working with the megastar and the father at home? What are the differences?
Hello, everyone. It's definitely not the same. The man is completely different once he puts his makeup on. That is, in few minutes, he completely transforms. And because I can't handle that man once he's on makeup, I keep my sisters at home. He's better off handled by the women of the house.
What did it take to become Saira Narasimha Reddy?
It is an untold story about an unsung hero. So I want to bring this content to pan-India because all the Indians should know about Narasimha Reddy. It was lying with me, this story, since almost 1.5 decades. Because of the budget constraints, I couldn't dare to make this movie. Now Charan and Surendra Reddy, they came forward to make this movie at pan-India level. I'm so happy, finally, my dream came true.
Sir, after 10 years, you're coming back to the film industry. After 10 years, you're coming back into a film. And the Hindi audience is also going to get a glimpse of the superstar, the megastar that you have. What message would you like to give to the Hindi audiences?
Yeah, this is the story every Indian should see. That's what I told. And I feel it is my responsibility to bring this story at India level. And since I have the beautiful content with me, I thought this is the best time to come to Bollywood as well as all other Indian languages. So Narasimha Reddy made me to come back again into this pan-India.
We're just happy, sir. That's all I have to say. We're very glad, very happy, ecstatic for the release of the film.
First of all, amazing teaser, and I got goosebumps. So congratulations to all the team for that. My question to you is, Chiranjeevi ji, aapse. You know, two mega stars together coming for the first time, Chiranjeevi ji and Amitabh Bachchan together. How was it on the sets? Too much of talent flowing, I can say?
He is my real life mentor. And it happened even in the film. And I feel there is only one and only megastar, that is Amitabh Bachchan. That is nobody's
It's so easy.
near to him. So I don't consider, but thank you. You mentioned that. And working with him is an amazing experience. So I'm really indebted to him a lot because just I asked when my director wanted him to be my guru in this film. So that character is a special character. So he insisted me, if it is Amitabh Bachchan, nothing like that. I said, I try. I just called him. I want to talk to him. No, tell me please what you want. I want you to be in my film. Ramcharan is making this Saira, and it's a wonderful subject. And I want you to be my guru character. It's a special character. Maybe maximum 1 week time will take. He said immediately, Chiranjeevi, you don't ask anything, you never ask anything. Since you are asking, I said, I'll say yes. And he, so great. And immediately he responded. He said, send your team to me. I want to discuss the rest of the things. And I sent director and other people, I said them. And immediately he said yes. I'm so happy, really, my heartfelt thanks to the Indian megastar, Amitabh Bachchan ji.
My question is to Tamanna. Tamanna, how does it really feel to be on the center and among all the great men? You have been quite lucky to do Bahubali, now such a big film again. What's your experience?
I'd really like to first of all thank Suri sir, Surendra Reddy, who's sitting here. मैं इनके साथ इसके पहले काम कर चुकी हूँ and जब भी उन्होंने मुझे किसी भी किरदार के लिए बुलाया है, हमेशा कुछ अलग करने के लिए बुलाते हैं. And for me, it was always a dream since I entered the South Indian film industry कि कब मैं चिरंजीवी सर के साथ काम करूँगी. And वो इस फिल्म से पूरा हो रहा है. I can't ask for more because जब एक टीज़र में एक अपना ऐसा शॉट देखती हूँ तो लगता है अगर ये ही एक शॉट होता मेरा फिल्म में तो भी मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. तो thank you Chiru sir for making me a part of this film. It's extremely special. And Charan, I've worked with him. He's put in his heart and soul to see this project come to life and get everything that it needs. I also would really like to mention Shushmita, who has done the costumes for the film. हमने काफ़ी काम किया हर एक लुक के लिए. She's sitting right here. She's really like जब मैं मिरर में देखती थी तो मुझे लगता था कि हाँ, this is Lakshmi. So that's what she made me feel on the set. And मेरा अपना किरदार निभाना बहुत आसान हो गया क्योंकि मैं पहले ही लक्ष्मी जैसे दिख रही थी तो फिर on set I felt like Lakshmi. And yeah, each and every one who's a part of the film. I worked with Vijay. रवि सर के साथ कभी काम हमने काम किया नहीं, हमने कभी काम नहीं किया, साथ में किया है नहीं. इनको इतने बार देखा कि ऐसे लग रहा है कि इनके साथ भी काम किया है.
हम नहीं, मुझे शायद पहले
बहुत पहले. So it's just such a huge cast. And thank you guys, you made this possible. I think for getting this film, presenting it to the Hindi audiences, who better than you guys to bring this really amazing story out there to the Hindi audiences. So yeah, I mean it's like a dream come true.
Yeah, Farhan and Ritesh, after KGF, you become more confident, after success of KGF, you become more confident to bring more regional film in to Bollywood.
No, it's not really a question of more or less confidence. I mean, you eventually believe in what it is that what you have lying in front of you. So the way this film has been put together, just really the vision behind it is something that gives us a lot of confidence. And the belief that the core team has in the film, the way that they really have cut no corners in presenting it and making it an absolutely riveting, entertaining piece for the viewers, that gives you confidence. So it's not about what you've done before, what you're going to do in the future. It really is about just this film.
Hi Ram. Firstly, kindly walk us through your character in the film, and secondly, why are you shying away from Hindi films? We want to see you in Hindi films. What's the reason for that?
Hi. My part is just being a producer. I have not done anything apart from that. I want to take the opportunity to thank all this great stars cast we had put together. It wouldn't have been possible if it's not my dad and the love they have for him, and they wanted to be part of this journey, which is his dream project. And they all recognize that, and it is very kind of all the artists here to help me and put this cast together. And secondly, I've not shied away. I'm not really, like Dad said, it's all about the content. Coming with the right content matters a lot, end of the day, for any actor. And hopefully next year, I'm coming back with Rajmouli Garu's next project after, right now we're shooting for that. Hopefully that will be my comeback, RRR.
Wow, best wishes for that. And Sudeep, you are working with, you're working with this film with so many megastars, and this is a grand film which is coming next month, and then you will be having Dabangg 3 with Salman Khan. So this year is like a superstar year for you.
You said it yourself. So I guess made my answer easy. One is we should always be lucky to be a part of a fraternity like film industry, which showcases us in different parts where we do not actually belong. Second, connection to such people whom we have seen growing up. Wonderful. I mean, it's as I said, properties are one side in Saira. Actors are also equally as many as properties. So many, Actually, I don't know whether there were any kind of vanity vans or any cars left in Hyderabad when we went. There are certain times in this particular set, sir. Set was only a very small one. I mean, of course, after the extension, it will be much bigger. But we had to pass a huge traffic to reach there from the gate, that was something by itself, where we are heading. So, kind of you start getting mentally prepared where we are going. And once you go there, I guess the platform, the producers, and especially Ram, I mean, he's an actor himself, I guess, and if somebody should have a son, they should have like him, who can make his father's dream come true to such an extent. It is lovely, sir, to be called. Yeah, we all have our own platforms where we belong, but stepping out of that, coming here, doing something because somebody else needs you, and trying to be submissive towards somebody's dream is much more fulfilling than what we dream ourselves. Same thing goes with Dabangg 3 also. So I guess it's been a beautiful thing that you're wanted everywhere and you're called.